I like the base. I like the vector unit base. I like the base vector base. I like the vector unit base. I like the base. I like the vector base. I like the vector unit base. I like the product base. I like the product base. Scalar dot product base knowledge. I base, J base. I like the vector unit base. K base. Calculate the base. I like the product of the base. U base, V base. I like the value of the base. I like the product base. I like the angle of the base, but it needs more cos. That base, that U, and V base, the vector base, that base, that I dot J base, that base, that scalar dot base, equation base, that base underneath that base, that cosine vector. I like the base. I like the size of the vectors, base. I like the base dot product base. I like the dot product of the base. I like the base. I like the unit base. I like the n-dimensional base. I like the vector base. I like the unit base. It needs to have a useful equation, and then bang in comes the formula. Cos theta cos theta cos theta equals u dot v over the magnitude of u times the magnitude of v. That's the vector base. Vector unit base is how you find the that base, that n-dimensional base, that base, that vector's angle base, that base cos theta equals u dot v over the magnitude of u times v. That is how you find the angle of the vector unit base.